So we have to multiply k plus l into n plus n. First we'll multiply k with these two, then l with these two. It will be k n plus kn plus lm plus ln. This is our answer. Second problem is x plus 5 by x square minus 2x minus 3. First we'll multiply x with this bracket, then 5 with this bracket. So it will be x into x square minus 2x minus 3 plus 5 into x square minus 2x minus 3. It will become x cube minus 2x square minus 3x plus 5 into 5x square minus 10x. 5 into 2x is 10x and minus 15. So now we'll handle it. It is x cube plus 3x square. 5x square minus 2x square is plus 3x square minus 13x minus 15. 10x plus 3x is 13x. Constant is minus 15. It is our answer.